So I have another machine here, and this being the port 192.168.146.1, and let's do a scan for ports 1 to 1024. We'll use the -v extension, and let's run this to make sure. As you can see here, it has reported back that we have some open ports. You'll see the IP address, and it talks about port 53. Then we have port 80, port 135, and we have port 139 and 445. NetBIOS, MSRPC, Microsoft 80 for the web server, and port 53. So as we can see, it has returned some information here and in a convenient CSV format. If I then wanted to check for more information, if I feel that this is too basic for what I want, I can then use another tag in the scan option to print out more information, which I'll show you shortly. So we've changed the setting from 1 to 1024 to search for those ports, and we can see that it's got open. It tells us that the name of the actual service, like MSRPC, and if I do AOV, and let's run this now, it has thrown an error. Let me just change that to AV, and let's see, we want to try and print all information. As we can see here, it's saying is ambiguous. I need to put version or version all. That's fine. Basically, I need to be more specific with the search option. So I'll just copy this, and I'll go back to this and change this to -v. And what we'll then do is add this -- version all to the end of this line. And let's run the program again to see if that gives us more results. It is running, and let's see if it does give us more results. Sometimes it works and sometimes it won't work. It just depends on the machine you're running it against. If it doesn't return it, as it has not given us any more information, this option will just give you an idea what you can do when you are doing your scans. So for this particular machine, we haven't been able to get more data. It doesn't mean that you won't be able to get data from your scan. So let's look at a couple other options of the Nmap scanner. I'll comment some of these settings out because I want to focus on the next commands. So let's change these ports from port, say, 22 to port 445 to have that range, so we're not running this program for too long. And let's do the NS scan again. This time we'll pick NS all hosts, and let's have a look at the results. It's running, and hopefully we'll get a result. What I have forgotten to do is add the print option. So let me do print, and this time it should report back that it has found the IP address that we are scanning against, which is 192.168.146.1. So as you can see, it is giving us some results. Let's look at what we can do by using the Nmap scanner a bit further. And this time we'll look up NS, and what we want to probably look at here is the IP address 192.168.146.1, and we will look at the state of this server. We want to find out if the IP address is up or down. So I use the extension state,